How to get back the missing settings icon on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys, if the settings app is missing from your iPhone's home screen after the iOS 18 update, don't worry, I'll show you 2 quick ways to get it back. First, tap the search option at the top of the screen. Search for settings. Once it appears, long press on it. Drag it to the home screen. Exit edit mode, and your settings icon will be back. If it's still missing, search for settings again and open it. Go to General. Then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then select Reset Home Screen Layout. Confirm the reset, and all icons will return to the home screen. And that's how you get back the missing settings icon on your iPhone. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.